Then someone I don't know who brought out a football. Great coats were dumped in piles to make goal post. Dumped in piles. That means they have turned the great coats, make it circle and dumped in piles to make goalposts. And the next thing we knew, it was Tommy against Fritz out in the middle of no man's land. Hans Wolf and I looked on and cheered, clapping our hands and stamping our feet to keep out the cold as much as anything. There was a moment when I noticed our braids mingling. Mingling means mixed together. Underline this word in the air between us. He saw it too and smiled. Jim McPherson, he said after a while, I think this is how we should resolve this war. A football match. No one dies in a football match. No children are orphaned. No wives become widows. Orphan means the children who have not alive parents. I had preferred cricket. I told him then we Tommies could be sure of winning probably. We laughed at that and together we watched the game. Sad to say, Connie Fritz won 2 goals to 1. But as Hans Wolf generously said, our goal was wider than theirs, so it wasn't quite fair. Here in this picture you can see that how that two countries' soldiers were playing the football togetherly. And they were playing the football on no man's land. That means between these two countries border the place that is called no man's land. The time came and all too soon when the game was finished. The snaps. Underline this word snaps. And the rum and the sausage had long since run out. And we knew it was all over. I wished Hans well and told him I hoped he would see his family again soon. That the fighting would end and we could all go home. I think that it is what every soldier wants on both sides. Hans Wolf said, Take care, Jim McPherson. I shall never forget this moment. Nor you. He saluted and walked away from me slowly, unwillingly. I felt he turned to wave just once and then became one of the hundreds of grey-coated men drifting back towards their trenches. In this paragraph, we can see that how the Jim McPherson he came to meet Hans Wolf and they both were waving their hands. They both have saluted to each other and then their uniform were in grey coat. That night back in our dugouts. Underline this word dugouts. Here you can see the meaning. A shelter for soldiers made by digging a hole in the ground and covering it. We heard them singing a carol. Underline this word carol also. Carol means a song sung by the particular persons on special for Christmas and singing it quite beautifully. It was still natured, silent night. Our boys gave him a rushing chorus of wild shepherds watched. We exchanged carols for a while and then we all fell silent. We had our time of peace and goodwill, a time I will treasure as long as I live. That means here they both have a good time. They both wanted peace between both the countries. Now turn the page.